We all thought the smartphone had peaked, but Apple just broke every single rule. Let's talk about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. For the last few years, iPhone updates have felt incredibly safe. A little faster, a little brighter, but the latest 2026 leaks are painting a completely different picture. We are looking at the biggest fundamental shift in Apple hardware in a decade. So let's break down exactly what's coming.
First, let's talk about the display and the look. Rumors suggest Apple is actually changing the physical shape of the phone, moving to a taller and narrower form factor, with the screen potentially stretching to a massive 7 inches. They're doing this by shrinking the dynamic island by up to 35%, moving key Face ID sensors under the glass. Combine that with a brand new LTPO Plus OLED display, and the screen-to-body ratio looks absolutely unreal. Oh, and goodbye Cosmic Orange, hello Dark Cherry, the stunning new signature colour.
Under the hood, things get ridiculous. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be powered by the A20 Pro, built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. They are packing in more RAM than ever just to handle the next generation of on-device Apple Intelligence. And yes, the phone is getting slightly thicker and noticeably heavier. Why? Because they are cramming in a massive 5200 mAh battery. 2-day battery life might actually become the standard.
But here is the upgrade that changes everything for creators: the camera. For the first time ever on an iPhone, the main 48-megapixel sensor is getting a mechanical variable aperture. You will actually be able to physically control the amount of light hitting the sensor and create true optical depth of field. No more relying entirely on software to blur the background. Apple is also simplifying the camera control button, making it entirely pressure sensitive for a smoother experience.
Finally, we have to talk about Siri. Launching alongside this phone in iOS 27, Siri is getting a massive Apple Intelligence overhaul. We are talking about a highly conversational assistant that finally understands complex context. There is even a rumored dedicated Siri mode inside the camera app that lets you point your phone at your surroundings and get real-time answers about what you're looking at. The 18 Pro Max is heavier, thicker, and gonna be incredibly expensive. But for the first time in years, it feels like a true pro upgrade. Are you buying one?